Do you know why most YouTube channels fail? Because the niches they pick die out in just 6 months to a year. Imagine working hard for months, uploading video after video, and then suddenly, your views vanish. That's the sad reality for most creators. But what if I told you there's one niche that will never die out? Not in 1 year, not in 5 years, not even in the next 10 years. This niche is so powerful that channels with just a handful of videos are already getting millions of views and becoming fully monetized overnight. Let me prove it to you. There's a channel out there that uploaded just 55 videos. Guess how many subscribers they have? Over 3.9 million. And just 2 days ago, they uploaded a single video that already crossed 10 million views. Imagine one video, uploaded on a brand new channel, instantly enough to qualify for monetization. That's how insane this niche is. And no, this isn't some shady trick. These channels are clearly monetized. You can check for yourself. Now here's the crazy part, anyone can do this. Yes, even you. Because making these videos doesn't require expensive tools, doesn't require fancy equipment, and it doesn't even take hours of editing. I'm going to show you a simple process that allows you to create a full viral video in just 20 to 25 minutes using nothing but free AI tools. But before that, let me warn you, this is where 99% of people fail. It's not their editing. It's not their graphics. It's not even their consistency. The real reason their videos flop is because their script is weak. If your script doesn't have a strong hook, an engaging story, and a clear call to action, people will click away in seconds. That's why most videos barely get 100 or 200 views. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to write scripts that actually keep viewers watching till the end and reveal my secret method for finding the best free AI tools to generate viral content fast. So, if you're ready to escape dead niches and build a channel that can grow for the next 10 years, stay tuned. Because what I'm about to show you could change your entire YouTube journey. Let's get started. Step number 1. To make things super easy for you, I've created a master template, and this is the most important part of the entire video. Inside this template, you'll find images that stay perfectly consistent and match the story from start to finish. The characters are set up in a detailed, complete form, so you won't see any changes or mismatches. They'll remain consistent throughout the entire story, making your visuals clear, professional, and reliable. Now, the best part is you don't have to go searching for it. I've shared the link to both my Telegram and WhatsApp channels right in the description below. Once you join, you'll find the direct link to download the master template inside. It's all set up for you, so you can dive right in and start creating without any hassle. The very first step is to open ChatGPT. Once you have it ready, head over to Google Docs and copy the master template. After that, switch back to ChatGPT and paste the template directly into the prompt box. Finally, just click on Generate and ChatGPT will begin creating results for you. You'll notice that ChatGPT first generates 6 different story options for you. Take your time and go through them carefully. If you don't like any of the stories, no problem. Just type more stories and ChatGPT will instantly create fresh ones for you. For example, let's say story number 7 looks good to me. All I need to do is copy the title of that story, paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box, and click Generate. Since we already provided detailed instructions in the master template, ChatGPT will now begin creating scenes for that story. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 15 detailed scenes. At the end, it even asks whether I'd like to turn those scenes into image prompts. I'll simply type yes and click Generate. And just like that, ChatGPT instantly converts all 15 scenes into fully detailed image prompts, ready to use. Step number 2. Now head over to Google and search for Google Whisk AI. Open the very first website that appears in the search results. This will take you straight to the main website, where you'll see a prompt box ready for you to use. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for the first scene. Once copied, switch over to Google Whisk and paste it into the prompt box. Before clicking Generate, make sure to set the image ratio to 9:16, which is the perfect format for short videos. Now, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Google Whisk will process your prompt and create 2 images for you based on that scene. After that, return to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for the second scene. Paste it into the Google Whisk prompt box, click Generate, and again, wait a few seconds for the images to be created. You'll simply repeat this same process for all the remaining scene prompts. Copy them one by one from ChatGPT, paste into Google Whisk, and generate the images. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully converted all of my image prompts into actual images using Google Whisk AI, completely free of charge. Step number 3. Now let's open Hailuo AI and sign in with a new email. By using a fresh email, you'll receive free credits. Hailuo AI isn't completely free, but it does give you some free credits to generate videos. Once you sign in, you'll see that you have 100 credits available. Next, click on the video option. This will take you to a new interface with several choices. From here, select Image to Video. Now, upload the image you'd like to convert into a video. In the prompt box, you can define the scene. For this example, I'll simply type animate because the image already has a strong visual that clearly represents what I want to say. After that, click Generate. Hailuo AI will begin processing your prompt and convert the image into a short video within a few moments. While the first image is being processed, let's upload a second one. Again, define the scene in the prompt box, then click Generate. You'll notice this task is now marked as pending. Let's repeat the same steps for a third image. Select the image you want to convert into a video. Once it's uploaded, define the scene in the prompt box and then click Generate. Now I'll upload the fourth image. Once it's uploaded and the prompt is added, you'll notice that Hailuo AI doesn't allow more than 3 tasks running at the same time. So, I'll wait for the first task to finish. As soon as it's completed, I can click Generate for the fourth image. In this way, I've successfully created 4 videos for free using Hailuo AI. At this point, all of my free credits are used up and my balance is now 0. To use Hailuo AI for free, we'll need to create new Gmail accounts in order to get extra credits. So, I went ahead and made a new Gmail account. I'll fast forward the process here for you. As you can see, after creating the account, I received 100 additional credits. With these credits, I can now keep converting all the remaining images into videos smoothly, without any interruptions. This means the process continues seamlessly, and I don't have to worry about running out of credits in the middle of my work. In case you ever need to create more scenes and run out of credits, don't stress. The solution is simple. Just create a new Gmail account, log back in, and continue your progress exactly where you left off. That way, you can keep building your project without losing momentum. Step number 4. Now, open CapCut. Once it's loaded, start by importing all the clips you generated with Hailuo AI. Drag them onto the timeline one by one, arranging them in the correct order, so they match the story. After that, import the music file. You'll find it in the Telegram channel. Once the music is added, adjust the speed of clips wherever needed to match the pacing of your story. Next, bring in the sound effects. I've downloaded mine from Pixabay, a platform that provides royalty-free sound effects and music. Carefully match the sound effects to each clip, taking your time to adjust them so everything feels natural and immersive. When all the settings are in place, review your video from start to finish. If everything looks and sounds good, go ahead and export it in 4K quality. And that's it. Your video is now ready. Due to copyright concerns, I'm not using the original music in this tutorial. However, if you're making a short video, you can safely use the original track without any issues.
Oh, wow!
Help me, please.
Oh my god!
And that's a wrap. You've successfully turned your story into a fully edited, high-quality video using ChatGPT, Google Whisk AI, Hailuo AI, and CapCut, all step by step. Don't forget to experiment, have fun, and make each video your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for all the links and resources I mentioned.